I am Handles Franklin, and today we got one of my favorite subjects. So today we'll be making nice, healthy Handles soup. I'm going to talk to you about my top 10 favorite places to eat in the world. Tel Aviv, Israel is right on the Mediterranean Sea, so it has fresh fish and all kinds of fresh foods. So I love Tel Aviv, Israel. I'm cooking in a crock pot. The reason why I'm cooking in a crock pot, because I can set it and forget it. I don't have to sit there and mess around with the food. Once I put my ingredients in, I cook it slow for a long time, and after a number of hours, it'll be finished. So the crock pot, of course you have your ingredients, cutting boards, cutting knife, spoon to stir, can opener. So let's go to the ingredients we'll use. Let's talk about my number 9 place to visit. Saragossa in Madrid, Spain. They have great food, some fresh appetizers, calamari and shrimp at a lot of the different places. And they also have a number of fresh pastries. I really enjoyed the food in Spain. That's my number 9. Number 8 place I like to eat. It's a place in Los Angeles, Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles. It's my number 8 place. Let's talk about the number 7 place I like to eat and I like to visit. It's the Seattle Fish Market. Here's a cool video of me at the Seattle Fish Market.
T for the Globetrotters! T for the Globetrotters! Hey! Back Hey!
Now it's time for me to start putting some things to the crock pot. Pulling one of my favorite vegetables, broccoli, mixture, with some of our mixed veggies. All right, now once you got the vegetables in, it's time to do, not my favorite thing to do, cut up an onion. As we start to cut up this onion, let's talk about my number 6 favorite place to eat is Argentina and Brazil. So not only the amazing steak houses in Brazil, but also Argentina. I had one of the best steaks I ever had in my life in Argentina. Number 5, food and place that I like to eat, crawfish in Louisiana. My teammate Big Easy is from New Orleans. My coach, Sweet Lou Dunbar, also from Louisiana, and they turned the entire team on to crawfish. We all one time went to Big Easy's house for crawfish broil, and my life was changed after that. Let's go to the number 4 favorite place. It's called Sweetie Pies. It's in St. Louis, Missouri. So basically I put about a half an onion in. Once I get it done, put it right into crock. Now, chicken stock. Number 3 on my list is crab cakes from Baltimore. One of my favorite experiences, one of my mentors, a great friend, Curly Neal, and myself would always get crab cakes from Baltimore. So now, whenever I go to Baltimore, I make sure I get crab cakes. One of my favorite dishes in the world. Can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. Then we go with organic red kidney beans. My number 2 favorite place is lobster from Maine. Not only do I like the lobster roll, some places have the twin lobsters. Next, the potato, cut the potato. My first seasoning is Tony's Actress, Mrs. Dash, I like that. And one of my favorite seasonings, Sazon, tropical flavor. A little of that in. Lipton Recipe Secrets. Set it and let it go. And my number 1 favorite place to eat is, as you can see from my list, I love seafood, crab legs from Alaska. So in Alaska, they have amazing crab legs. They're fresh. Crab legs, my favorite kind. All right. Fill you up a bowl and eat up.